Pete Custis here with smallbusinessresourcecenter.com. Just wanted to follow up with another question that I've been getting, and that's how do I use the Small Business Resource Center? So when we're looking at that, it's pretty simple. The Small Business Resource Center actually has about 12,000 products in our library right now. Once you're a member, you can actually use any of the resources. Many of them can be sold if you do want to sell them individually, or you can give them to people that are in your network for help. So it's a great tool here. Like let's just say you need software. You can click on software, find things that you're looking for. You can do a product search right here, and look for things that might help you in the software category. Let's just say you need a website template. Click on, and there's templates here that you can get. So you can actually search, say I need website template, which could be easy for creating a website that's more custom to what you're looking for. Now you click on right here. You can sign up right here. You can download. Keep in mind that most of these can be sold. You can also give them away. You can offer them as bonuses. And let's just say if this is the one for you, just click on it. Select the pricing and membership plan that works for you. When you do select a plan, keep in mind we're planning on getting to an inventory of around 250 different products. Once we have these products, you're not going to have an increase. So you're going to be able to get locked in on the pricing that you select now. And once you select the plan, you have unlimited use for the products that you're selecting. So if you do get those templates, they're yours to use, and it's a great resource for you. So anything that you need is here. A lot of this is self-help. So when you're looking at this, you're obviously busy. You want to exercise, and there you go. You got this. Download it. It's yours. If you have a problem with smoking, try that. Smoking. And give up smoking now. Squash smoking. Stop smoking forever. There's a lot of things in there that can help you. Just depends what you're looking for. Check it out. Let me know if you have questions. And if you have comments, share this video with people you know. Let me know what we can do to help you out. Pete Custis from the Small Business Resource Center. Good luck with your small business and entrepreneurship. Have a great day.